What to do if you want to send more than 2000 rupees via QR code? What to do? Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do, and today we're gonna talk about that. If you want to send 2500 rupees or 25,000 rupees, then what you can do? If you check that your friend has sent you the QR code, you cannot send money more than 2000, and it's for safety, because if any hacker or scammer just send you a QR code and they want to steal your money, then they can do so. But how you can stop that? If you send just 2000 rupees, it's okay, but if you have sent 20,000, 25,000, or more than that, it can be very harmful for you. So that for safety reasons this system is applied. But keep in mind, if you are you genuinely want to send to anyone money, just send that QR code to any other phone and scan via your mobile phone. Yes, you are listening right. You can send it on laptop or computer too, and scan from your mobile phone, and then you can send more than 2000 rupees. Or if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, hit bell icon for get more videos.